From the First Alert Weather Center, meteorologist Jonathan Condor with your severe storm timeline. Yes, there's still a risk of severe weather across southeastern Oklahoma throughout the morning. At OKC, we're severe clear. So there's 6 a.m. Showers east of OKC. There are the severe storms. Henrietta, McAllister, Atoka, Durant, Hugo. The leading edge, damaging winds, hail, and even a tornado risk. Those storms quickly move out, no longer an issue throughout the late morning. Now, as we go into the afternoon, we may have some showers redevelop. You can see those on Predictor. Are those going to be severe? No, they're not. Some showers, maybe a brief downpour, and that's about it. This is only about a 30% chance. The other thing we're really going to see on the backside of this big storm system are the winds, and they're going to get real strong. So for eastern Oklahoma, they won't have the higher end winds. It'll still be real breezy. Counties highlighted in orange. That's my outlook for this afternoon, this evening, gusting 40 to 50, where we have wind advisories. Then just west of Highway 81, the counties highlighted in red, gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour. That's where we have high wind warnings. That's this afternoon through this evening. You'll see fire danger is going to be pretty bad. You may even see some power bumps or power outages from these winds, maybe some minor tree damage or fence damage because of those winds being so strong. So what do you got to do? Hey, come back later today. I know he was in till real early this morning, but you got to check out 4, 5, 6, 10 p.m. Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane. He'll be back in. He'll have everything you need to know and your updated 5+5 day forecast.